Fun fact, using this skin gives you 5 extra happy stunning them. Okay, don't step to a really high damage character while I'm thank you. Okay, thank you.
Take this, evildoer.
Breaking the rules, just to keep my pace. Something tonight we just can't do. Oh no.
I'm out of here.
No. You just must go under your heel. But in time, you my friend. You'll just be trading some chicken on me.
I could do more than just dodge rolls, you know.
And I'm always thinking 2 steps ahead. Don't care who stands in my path, I'll never change who I am. And who can y'all be?
I'm out of here.
Push me to carry on. Flash until the break of dawn. Fighting with the terms that are gone. Gone, gone, gone.
I could do more than just dodge rolls, you know. I'm out of here.
I don't let uncertainty slow me down or make me second guess. I'll pave my own way forward and clean up this mess. Gotta keep on rolling, gotta keep
Take this,
singing
evildoer.
the song. It's true, if you think that you're faster, prove me wrong. Lost it
I'm
all,
outta here.
still standing. No circumstance will die by your totem. With a strength burned in my mind, bring the worst, I won't hold back. You can't twist the way I feel, I keep moving on. Oh yeah, check out this cool guitar solo.
Take this, evildoer. I'm out of here.
Eben, Schwa, Roshi. There's no more holding back. Oh, the souls you toyed with. Siding with violence, isn't this what you wanted from me? There's no mercy left.
I could do more than just dodge
Now
rolls, you know.
bring them back. Be as fast as you are, you can't outrun me. No, no. Caught of the twisted game.
I'm out of here.
I'll break free of the chains that held you back from showing you what I made of. I live to see the day I'll escape from this place. That's who I am, the master of
I could do more than just dodge rolls, you know.
The fire
I'm out of here.
Right here. I'll live my own way and by my own rules. Copy my face, can't get my ideas, never can you? No! Don't stand there and enjoy the pain. Bring the thunder like a hurricane. Live and learn. Hanging on the edge of tomorrow, never go your way. Settle and blink.
Take this, evildoer.
How did I even get here in the first place?
Why did you do it, Upbeat?
But I didn't do anything, no. I didn't do it.
Everybody, I'm Untitled for second buzzwords tonight. Bet into an idol. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm friendly, I'm friendly. Guys, let's team up. I'm gonna eat my chicken to restore some health. Let's do an emo, guys. That's all I can think of.